Ladies and gentlemen, it's a funny thing really, the way some people walk into someone else's life and believe they're in control. They think they're the ones pulling the strings, orchestrating the whole affair, playing a game they assume they've already won. They tell themselves that they're in charge, that they know every move, that they hold all the cards, and they start to believe that they've got the upper hand, that they're the ones running the show. But here's the truth they never see coming. They were playing by your rules. You see, life is often portrayed as a game, a complex interplay of strategy, skill, and sometimes a bit of luck. And just like any game, there are players and there are those who know how to play. The Game Master is someone who understands the rules, who can navigate the twists and turns, who anticipates the moves of others and uses that knowledge to their advantage. It's a role that requires not just intelligence, but also intuition, patience, and a deep understanding of human nature. When others think they are in control, it's easy to get caught up in their confidence, to doubt your own position, to feel as though you are simply a pawn in their game. But remember, the true power lies in recognizing your own worth and understanding the dynamics at play. You are not just a player, you are the architect of your own destiny. You have the ability to redefine the rules, to change the course of the game at any moment. Imagine for a moment the situations you've faced in your life. Perhaps you've encountered people who underestimated you, who believed they could manipulate you, use you, and then discard you. They thought they had the upper hand, but what they didn't realize was that you were biding your time, watching their every move, learning their weaknesses. You were playing a different game altogether, one that required you to be patient and strategic. In those moments, when others take you for granted, it's easy to feel powerless, but that's a misperception. True power comes from within. It comes from knowing who you are, what you stand for, and where you want to go. It comes from having a vision that is so clear, so compelling, that no amount of external noise can drown it out. When you embrace your role as the Game Master, you gain the ability to influence outcomes, to steer conversations, to inspire others. Let's think about some examples. Consider a workplace where an ambitious colleague believes they are the next in line for a promotion. They're making bold moves, positioning themselves in the spotlight, and they believe they've got it all figured out. But behind the scenes, you're quietly building relationships, honing your skills, and proving your value day by day. While they are focused on the surface, you're digging deeper. When the time comes for decision making, who do you think will stand out? It's not always the loudest voice that wins. Often, it's the one that has been consistent and genuine all along. Or think about relationships. Perhaps someone entered your life with grand gestures and promises, confident they could charm their way into your heart. They think they can play you, but you know the game. You understand the importance of trust, communication, and respect. You're not just looking for someone to fill a role. You're seeking a partnership built on mutual understanding. While they're busy trying to impress you with superficial tactics, you're evaluating their intentions, their character, and their ability to meet you at the same level. In this scenario, you hold the cards, and when you play them wisely, the outcome is entirely in your hands. Life is not merely a series of encounters. It is a constant negotiation of power dynamics. Every interaction presents an opportunity to assert yourself, to demonstrate your values, and to guide the narrative. When you step into the role of Game Master, you approach each situation with a mindset of possibility. You're not just reacting to what others throw at you. You're proactively crafting your responses, shaping your journey, and determining your fate. It's important to remember that being a Game Master doesn't mean being manipulative or deceitful. It's about authenticity and integrity. It's about recognizing the potential in yourself and others and understanding that everyone has a part to play. The most effective leaders are those who empower others while also being in command of their own vision. They know that collaboration is key, and that sometimes the best moves involve lifting others up rather than stepping on them. You may find yourself in situations where others are trying to undermine you, where their confidence feels overwhelming, where they seem to be thriving at your expense. In those moments, remember, you are not a victim of circumstance. You have the ability to turn the tables, to shift the narrative. The real power lies in your response. Will you engage in their game, or will you choose to redefine the terms of the engagement? Think of the moments when you felt overlooked or underestimated. Those are the moments that can fuel your fire. Use that energy to drive yourself forward. Let their underestimation become your motivation. Instead of seeking validation from those who doubt you, focus on building your own strength. This journey is yours, and you are the master of your fate. Embrace the role of the game master with confidence. Lead with clarity, intention, and purpose. Craft your strategy carefully, but also be willing to adapt when necessary. The game is ever-changing, and flexibility can be your greatest asset. Always be observant, always be learning. The more you know about the people and the environment around you, the better equipped you will be to navigate the challenges that come your way. Let's explore further the concept of strategy and how it plays a crucial role in being the game master. Strategy is not just about having a plan, it's about being dynamic, being able to pivot when circumstances change. Life can throw unexpected challenges at you, and those who thrive are often those who can adjust their tactics without losing sight of their overall goals. Think about a chess player who anticipates their opponent's moves. They don't just react, they create a game plan that accounts for multiple scenarios, enabling them to stay one step ahead. In life, your strategy should also involve understanding the emotional landscape. People are not just players on a board, they are complex beings with their own motivations, fears, and desires. When you can empathize with others, when you can see the world through their eyes, you gain valuable insights. This understanding can be leveraged to build stronger relationships, to negotiate effectively, and to influence outcomes positively. It's a powerful tool that, when used wisely, positions you as a leader in any situation. Consider the importance of networking. Building a strong network is akin to gathering resources in a game. The more connections you have, the more support you can draw on. It's not just about knowing people, it's about fostering genuine relationships. When you invest time in understanding others, when you are there for them, they are more likely to stand by you when the stakes are high. Remember, even the most skilled players can't go it alone. Having allies can significantly enhance your chances of success. Now, let's touch on resilience, which is an essential trait of the game master. Life will present you with obstacles, challenges that may seem insurmountable. But resilience is about your ability to bounce back, to learn from failures, and to keep moving forward. Think of it as your ability to reset the game after a setback. Each failure is not an endpoint, it's an opportunity for growth. Embrace your mistakes, analyze what went wrong, and use that knowledge to fortify your strategy moving forward. Being resilient also means maintaining a positive mindset. Your outlook can profoundly affect your ability to navigate challenges. When you believe in your capacity to overcome obstacles, you are more likely to take the necessary risks that lead to growth. Surround yourself with positivity. Seek inspiration from those who have triumphed over adversity, and always keep your vision clear. A positive mindset is a powerful tool that allows you to play the long game effectively. As we continue to reflect on the essence of being a game master, let's not forget the importance of self-care. The journey can be exhausting, and burnout can hinder your ability to think strategically. Take time to recharge, to reconnect with your passions, and to nurture your well-being. Remember, that even the best players need rest. When you take care of yourself, you are better equipped to tackle the challenges life throws at you. In your quest to be the game master, it's also essential to celebrate your victories, no matter how small. Acknowledging your achievements reinforces your confidence and reminds you of your capabilities. Each win, whether personal or professional, is a stepping stone that builds momentum. Reflect on your journey, recognize the hard work you've put in, and allow yourself to revel in your success. This practice not only boosts your morale, but also motivates you to strive for even greater heights. Finally, let's talk about vision. A game master operates with a clear vision of where they want to go. This vision serves as your guiding star, helping you navigate through the chaos of life. Take the time to define your goals, to articulate your dreams. What does success look like for you? What legacy do you want to leave behind? When you have a clear vision, you can make decisions that align with your aspirations. Every move you make, every relationship you build, every challenge you face becomes a part of that larger picture. In conclusion, as you navigate the complexities of life, always remember that you are not just another player. You are the game master. You have the ability to redefine the rules, to influence outcomes, and to shape your own destiny. When others think they have you figured out, surprise them by showing your depth, your resilience, and your vision. Stand tall, play wisely, and never underestimate the power of being the one who truly understands the game. The stage is yours, so play it brilliantly.